Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to include or not include your own microphone audio in your video clips. So it's very easy to do. If you just hold down the share button, there's an option under here where you can see your most recent captures. Just go over to capture options, and then we can go down to include your mic audio. All video clips, including trophy recordings, will include your mic audio. If it's checkmarked to the right, that means you're including your audio. And then we got include party audio. All video clips, including trophy recordings, will include audio from the players in your parties who allow their voices to be shared. So you can check mark under there and you'll hear yourself when you speak. And then we can go on over to settings, going down to captures and broadcasts. And we have the same options under here, video clip format. So just make sure you have this enabled under here, and you should be able to hear yourself speak when you're in your own recording. So sometimes I like that if we're in a party chat, just to hear what my friends are saying, and I know what's going on. And if you want to include your audio in your friends' clips, just go to broadcast, include party audio, and you should be able to share it now with them. So hopefully this video clip did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.